my madam Nyash. I thought I had Nyash until I met this madam. See my madam, he plenty. Hey!
Alright, we are good to go,
this
guys.
Is my Oga.
Your Oga will not get Nyash.
No, man, not the Nyash. This is my madam. Madam!
See all the things she carry here.
Madam! You will not give me.
What you are good?
Yeah, ready.
You start off.
Madam, when I was with you, I was myself.
Ready.
Alright, one more.
Destiny Etiko, why you go dey lie dey give Nons Miraj? You and I know say you are indirectly mocking her. Why you come dey hype Nons Miraj say she get nyash pass you, when you and I know say the nyash wey Nons Miraj get na BBA, where your own be natural. My people no be small thing. When my Amebo people open, I don't carry sit down cause this G sweet well. When I know how we dey do am for this channel, you see Amebo girl see what I don't say for this channel. They carry come undiluted. As they cook am, na so they carry come give order. So they don't dey bash Destiny Etiko again. Say why you go dey lie dey give Nons Miraj? Say the lie they even they make Nons Miraj come they shine cause she knows say the hyping dey too much. Some people come they say Destiny Etiko no be good person at all. Hey God, nothing Musa no can ever see for this gate where he dey. I beg my dear Nons Miraj, check what your doctor give you. No be your fault say you do your body. But my advice too, if you get money, I beg go back, make they arrange the thing well, make it dey fine. Okay, my baby girl. Love and light from this end. I mean, my people, I know they speak on their mind. What be your opinion on this? Drop your opinion for comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, follow this channel for more Wenge news where they totally brain like this. Give us thumbs up and turn on post notifications so that whenever I post a reel like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Stay safe out there. Bye.